Hey everyone, and welcome back! Looking to save on your Academy LMS purchase? We run various promotional offers throughout the year, which you can claim with coupon codes. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can apply a coupon code to purchase Academy LMS and get amazing discounts. Head over to our website. From there, you can find coupon codes from the discount banner. Once you spot a code, remember or copy it. Next, click on Buy Now to proceed. Choose the plan based on your requirements. On this page, you'll see a link that says Have a promotional code. Click it, type or paste your coupon code in the box, and hit Apply. You'll see the discounted price. Once everything's done, click Review Order and complete your purchase with the applied discount. And that's how you can successfully apply coupon codes and save while purchasing. Thanks for choosing Academy LMS, and happy journey!